Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Our recipe for today is juicy, mouth-watering, pan-seared lamb chops, just like in a restaurant or even better. Whether you decide to grill them or fry them in a cast iron skillet or regular pan, these homemade lamb chops with minimal ingredients are a family favorite. Here are the ingredients. 1/4 cup olive oil. We will use this for marinating. 1/4 cup lemon juice. 2 teaspoon dried oregano. 4 cloves garlic minced. 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon ground black pepper. 8 lamb chops. And finally, 1 tablespoon olive oil for cooking. Firstly, using a paper towel, we will pat dry the chops and discard any shards of bone fragments. And then, we will mix all the ingredients together in a small bowl. The olive oil, lemon juice, dried oregano, garlic minced, salt, and ground black pepper. And then after that, we will arrange lamb chops in a large baking dish or on a large plate. And pour the marinade all over the lamb. We will rub it into the meat. Cover with plastic wrap and then marinate for half an hour, or for deeper flavor, marinate overnight in the refrigerator. The lamb chops sit at room temperature like 30 minutes. And then we will heat in oil in a pan. We will make it over a high heat until just starting to smoke. And then we will fry or grill in 2 batches for 3 to 4 minutes in each side, depending on the thickness of the lamb, or until done to your liking. For me, I like it a little bit charred. Usually at 3 minutes per side, they are medium rare, and at 4 minutes, they are medium well. And then afterwards, we will let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. And then for our leftover marinade, we will now reduce it down to a medium-low, leaving any leftover drippings in the pan. And then when the pan has lower in heat, 2 tablespoons of butter. We will pour in the leftover marinade and half cup beef broth. We will bring it to a simmer and allow to cook for at least 5 minutes. We will stir in lemon juice and serve with lamb and 1 teaspoon honey, then season with salt and pepper according to your taste. After that, we will plate the lamb chops, little corn salad for freshness, and healthy side dish deliciousness. If you want to know about this crowd-pleasing corn salad, please check out my other video on how to make this. So there you go, our juicy, mouth-watering pan-seared lamb chops. Enjoy!